I'm sorry I ever doubted Sugar and Lightning joining the Dramarama cast. I hated it at first. But then, that's why when I saw that the new episode that came out today, existed, at first I was like, why the duck does this exist? I hate you. But now that I've actually watched it, I know that Sugar and Lightning have officially changed. They're not like their original TD selves. In fact, my favorite character out of the duo is Lightning, which was probably the biggest jerk in the original TD. But they changed Lightning to be so nice and heroic. But the reason he's my favorite out of the new duo is because he actually gives Cody a chance. It's nice that Lightning doesn't think that Cody is a complete goof. So, Lightning, Sugar, I am sorry.